In place when Roberto Soldado scored the only goal in 20. Best defensive performance of his career. They had 849.
From the start, after cameos from the bench on Thursday, Budu Zivzavadze, Diego Llorente replaces Sergio Ramos. Sergio Busquets is preferred one in their last 6 matches in all competitions. The electricity in the stadium is palpable. This is Brian Heel. He was superb when he came on from the bench the other night. Morata. Pedro Porro. And there's a possibility it's the emergence of several youngsters. Here's Alba, and that one was misplaced towards Brian Heel. Here carries Georgia forward here, running at Pedro Porro, goes down. Porro claims he got the ball. Looking ball towards Kvaratskhelia, neatly controlled, shielding it away. No doubt from his time at Newcastle United in the Premier League. Ruiz, Torres, Kvaratskhelia for Georgia. Tried to do too much on that occasion. Oh, he's saved by Simon. Here's the earlier opportunity. It was Cashier's header, actually. It's a terrific header. And 100 games for Barcelona, a one-club man. And Torres is challenged, and illegally so in the eyes of the referee, by Kvaratskhelia. And here is Kankova, the Georgian skipper. Tried to give Ruiz the slip, got beyond him and then was tugged at. Cross. Brian Heel was arriving. Breaks kindly now for Alba. Tees back in once again. And it's headed clear by Diwali. Pedri losing out. And Garcia has to get across to try carve out an opening. That's not a bad-looking ball, but it's into Torres. Back out it comes to Ruiz. And Gloria. Georgia might have scored early doors. So Dani Olmo of RB Leipzig away from a famous victory. As we get back under Kvaratskhelia, but losing out to Busquets. And it goes too high for It's Porro who delivers. Yorbilidze looking to drive them on once again. Ruiz will go after this. There he is again. Oh, to Alba. Morata hovering with intent inside the box, but Zivza. Morata forced wide by Cashier, who died. Busquets. He spotted the run. Still he goes, brilliant. It's like Marcus Llorente, who's coming on next. And that is long by Thiago. And it will be seen. Alba pulled into the middle. Olmo was setting his sight. Olmo couldn't gather. And at the moment, Georgia struggling to get out and steering it into Olmo. He's still got it. It's found its way through to Olmo. And in! Heartbreak for Georgia. Huge relief for Spain. That is a massive goal for Luis Enrique. Right at the death, in stoppage time, Spain have turned it round.